Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Red Bay local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Red Bay moving company means you need to look closer at 3 Movers. Our team will provide you with the help you need for a local or long-distance move. We have helped many students, veterans, business owners, renters, and homeowners move every single year. Let us help make your move less stressful. We provide you with all the right long-distance moving options, including packing services. We provide a full-service moving option that includes packing and unpacking services for a very convenient move. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies give you the highest quality materials for packing up even the most fragile items. An on-time move. With our movers, you get an on-schedule moving day free of delays or cancellation. Upfront pricing. When you're ready to move, get a quote from us and you'll have an accurate cost to work with upfront. Licensed and insured. Let us protect your things better throughout your entire move. Hiring the right long-distance moving company will make a difference. Whether you're moving to the next state over or across the country, we take the stress out of the process. Our team is ready to go to work for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Red Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.